What's going on, man? It's your boy Quad, back at to give another POV, man. I know y'all been waiting for some time. I haven't been posting on the channel. I haven't been really consistent. I think the last video I seen was the mukbang. So I'm here to bring out some POV footage, man. I just got the charger back a couple days ago, but I'm gonna just basically let y'all know what's going on. So I got pulled over by the cops and I got the charger back. And I had to deal with some situations with that. Still dealing with it, but I really can't get really into detail with it. Just know I'm dealing with something that happened with this car. And now, you know, your boy working, whatever the case, you staying out the way type shit, you feel me? But we got the car back. So far, so good. We haven't ran into any issues, no overheating, no smoking. So maybe it is 100% fixed. Do I believe this car is at 100%? Not quite. I want to see maybe 75% because there's a lot of things I still don't like. The fact that this car eat gas so much, and I probably got to get an oil change in the next month. And I got to get my catch can in the next month. But I'm trying to not like go crazy on this car. So the fact is I don't like, depending on how things go in the future with the situation I'm in, like, you know, I don't want to put crazy amount of money in this car and, you know, some shit go left. But I mean, God forbid, you know, we just praying for the best. We walking with faith, we walking with God in the situation. But yeah, I heard that little crackle in the back. Sometimes I do it when I'm in like the first gear. I don't know if y'all can hear it. We got a lot of stuff planned, bro. As far as this car, everything, you know, looking right. This whole little front end right here is going to get changed out. I'm looking for a Challenger dash. I'm really not fucking with this dash. I mean, this is not even the original. I'm looking at the bull down Atlanta Charger. Like, he took a picture this morning. This dash is definitely not the original dash that come with this car. His and mine look totally different. But I want to upgrade it to the newer dash. It's just my preference. I don't like I want a Challenger dash in here. It's just, I don't know, it's something weird with me. I just like the way Challenger dashes look. I like how that little center, kind of like the little oval right here or the circle, it comes out towards you. That's what I like. So that's what we're gonna be doing, man. Yeah, man, we doing a little POV to the crib. I'll probably stop at my mom's. I don't know. I think I'm gonna just call my mom. I don't know. I'm really tired. So I think I'm just gonna go straight home. I think I'm just going straight to the crib. I am tired. I could just go to my mom's spot. But I don't know. I need to go home, find a uniform shirt. Things like that. And then I know y'all heard it. I know y'all heard that shit, bro. I know y'all heard it. But I'm gonna go home and then get things situated with my uniform for this job. They was on dick for some reason. Why, I don't know why, but you know how that go. You know how that go. When people, one thing I notice about like our color people, I don't know how to explain it. Melanated goddess kings and shit like that. Look, I'm tired, bear with me. But one thing I notice about our color people though, you know, our color people, like when we get a little bit of power, we move up in position, we kind of be dicks and assholes for no apparent reason. Like bro, even with like COs, like they be being dicks and assholes for no reasons. Like, come on, bro, not everybody nasty people out here, man. But that just is what it is, you know. I ain't gonna go too much on it, vent too much on it, because I could go days and hours and how I really feel and what I really regret in life. Like, I don't really regret much, it's just I regret being in like CO, or I regret like I just regret a lot of shit in life. Like, nah, not that much though. I just don't like when people be nasty to people. That's really my biggest thing. But yeah, bro. Like the supervisor at my job, bro. He so I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like it's like when it come to him, he be acting so terrible towards me. I'm like, bro, it's not even that deep, bro. It's really not. But we ain't even gonna dwell on it too much. But yeah, man. Put it in second gear. I'm gonna just let it come out. Yeah, man. We're on our way to the crib, bro. I got the heat on, and my heated seat, and my steering wheel. Cause it's really cold out here, bro. It's really changing weather. But it's kind of good too because that means that my car is getting the best amount of cool air right now. So, you know what I'm saying? It's really cold out here. It's not cold, but it's cool enough. See on the dash, it says 62 type shit. But we gonna get y'all a little POV to the crib, man. You feel me? That's the most I give y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? Wake up, edit it. I might just drop it raw. Just like this, throw some background on it. That's what I probably do. I just drop it raw. I'm gonna just throw some background on it. And I'm gonna throw some background music on it, you feel me? And just drop this shit raw. Throw my introduction on it, throw my little clips on it that I had, and my Malibu being driven. You know what I'm saying? A little POV cut to this, you know what I'm saying? And then boom, drop it, you know what I'm saying? This is what I'm saying, this is the way it is. But make sure y'all boys, make sure no cops not around. But make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe to the channel, bro. I'm really trying to make this YouTube shit full time because like I'm tired of working, bro. Like I'm really tired of working. If I could just like pump out content to y'all, keep recording, I will do so, bro. Like I'm trying to serve my people to help them get these SRTs and, you know, help them be able to, you know what I'm saying, do what they want to do. Because I ain't gonna lie, bro, working is really out, bro. It really gets annoying at times. Look, cop. Can I tell y'all? It get annoying at times because like people just don't know how to be what their position is and not be robo coppers, micromanagement, you feel what I'm saying? So it's just so much with this. So it's like, you know what I mean? I just rather just be a content creator where I'm just pumping out content, whereas I don't have to go to work, bro. Like going to work is really ghetto, especially when you gotta work down there 2 jobs. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it gets tiring at times. But yeah, man. But we gonna make it through. We gonna definitely make it through. Just definitely trying to get away from this cop type shit. And I don't like cops. They just be doing the most at times. And I be cool off of it. So yeah. You know how that go, y'all. So always gotta check your rear views and play your mirrors, bro. Just got to, bro. Just never know with these cops. They just be... I feel like cops really target Chargers. Like, they really target these Jones. But the way I'm about to take home is kind of different. What was he think he was doing? Where did he think he was going? Like, I wasn't even expecting that one, but what the fuck did he think he was doing? I don't know. I'm about to roll this up, bro, because you never know. Around here, you gotta, like, I'm gonna tell y'all boys, if y'all from Philly and y'all got SRTs and Chargers and all that, I'm gonna give y'all some quick game, right? Cops, where they post that, usually never right here. If they right here, is an emergency type shit. You know what I'm saying? But the next few blocks up, like where the chicken spot at, is this a female? No, this is a male. I'm trying to race me this way. It's fucking, you know what I'm saying? We ain't paying that boy no mind. But right here, 60, what's the 63rd? 63rd, I think we not from 63rd. Yeah, but cops are usually never right here. You feel what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna tell y'all exactly where they be at. This is why I don't take this way home. I don't even like taking this way that direct me on the map to go there. Cause like, they be there type shit. You feel what I'm saying? So if you turn on Girard and go down, it's gonna take you towards like ESPN Barbershop. They be right there. And if you take Hereford, it's a whole station right there. You feel what I'm saying? So them the 2 blocks. And Master, I don't take these 3 blocks. This is what I do. Anytime I'm trying to get like to the highway or some shit like that, bro, like to get to the crib, I take this all the way to you gonna see I don't know the blocks by heart, but I know right here at the mill stop too, they be right here. So what I try to do is I try to go all the way towards Overbrook Park, or I try to turn off right here. Right near this little poppy store. I be trying to turn off right here because I never really see them down here. Don't get me wrong, they be down here though. Because it get real, like this little Lansdowne strip, it be getting nasty down here, bro. But I don't really see them. I don't really see them that much down here. Like, and the only reason why I know that because my brother be down here. You know what I'm saying? So like my older brother, he be down here and I always be down here. Well, not always be down here. Let me not cat like that, but I be down here with him sometimes. You feel me? But like I know for a fact they don't be down here, but they be down here. Like when you get towards the Sunoco, that's when they there. Like, you know what I'm saying? That little corner, they gonna be down here. But I be trying to avoid cops at all times, bro, because sometimes when you get good cops, sometimes you get bad cops. We ain't even go too much into all that, like I'm saying. Oh, you know what I'm saying? We got a little POV for y'all. You feel me? Nothing too crazy. I just didn't drop in a minute. I know y'all probably tired of seeing like content that got nothing to do with the charger, or you know what I mean? I'm just trying to expand my horizon on my channel because like you don't want to limit yourself to one thing. Like when you limit yourself to one thing, like y'all so used to seeing the charger, right? But I have way other cars and better content to drop. So let's just say I do a detailing my charger video. That may go crazy, you know what I'm saying? People may like it, how it look when it shine and gloss and glitter, you feel what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? But let's just say I do full detail video on my new daily, which is my Malibu. Let's just say I do a detailed video on my daily, which is my Malibu, right? That's my daily car, but I barely drive it. But when I do have it, I do time to time shoot a little POV in it. You feel what I'm saying? Let's say I shoot a daily in that. Boom, 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 boom. Right? Boom. I shoot a daily in that. Boom. Nobody may not watch it. They might not tune in. Reason why? Because they think it's boring. Nobody wants to watch a Malibu. But I'm going to tell y'all this. The Malibu actually looks nice once it's modded up. Once the Malibu is actually taken care of, I'm talking about new rims, modded up. It looks really decent. You know what I'm saying? Or I may drop a video, POV in my truck. I may put POV in my high performance escort cars for shakedown. I don't know, like whatever they call the cops car, informant cars, whatever it's called. I don't really know, but let's say I drop a POV on that. Boom. Y'all not gonna fuck with it that much because it ain't a charger. And I understand though. I understand. Like people may listen to this charger and the idle of the charger and the pipes of the charger, and it may be music to the ears. Cause I ain't gonna lie, before I had a charger, this shit definitely was music to my ears. And I ain't even gonna cap y'all boys. But sometimes I be feeling like, come on, y'all, give me a shot, man. I'm trying to become a real YouTuber out here, like really vlog in public and vlog my day, like show y'all my ins and outs of what I am and what I do, like. But for real, the whole moral of this channel is, man, I just want to be able to help people save lives, man. Like really help them understand that as a male or a female, your mental health is okay. You know what I'm saying? It's okay to feel not okay. It's okay to, you know, be down some days. It's okay to, you know what I'm saying, not be in the right headspace. It's okay to, you know, feel feelings. Like you're human. We go through emotions. You know what I'm saying? We go through different things. Like girls, y'all carry babies. Y'all carry emotions. Y'all carry feelings. Y'all carry grudges. Like y'all are meant to be carriers. Y'all are nurturers. Like that's just what y'all do. Men, you know, we sometimes do the same thing, and sometimes I think that's sassy. But at the same time, look, checkers light came on. It's always something with this fucking car. At least I ain't overheating or nothing like that. It ain't lock on car. But you feel me? Sometimes we feel like niggas could be sassy. Like you feel me? Like So it's like, it's just you gotta take it on the grain, you gotta take it on the chin, bro. But yeah, bro, like I'm just thankful that I have this car. I'm thankful I could use this car to help me build a platform. But I just need y'all guys to rock with me a little bit more, so y'all can rock with me and I can rock with y'all, and I can bring y'all better content, so we could, you know, I grow, we grow, we all grow. You feel what I'm saying? I like to do giveaways. I like to help people. You feel what I'm saying? I'm just here to serve my purpose, and my purpose is to help serve my people. That's just really, really what it is. Like, that's what I want to do. That's my purpose in life. That's my calling. I always been good at helping people. I always been good at talking. I just want to help people, bro. Like, I just want to help people become a better version of them. So that's what I'm working on, and that's what I'm on. And yeah, that's what we're gonna get at, man. But we're gonna get. I'm gonna just shut up and let the car speak. I think I'll be like, man, he's tired of hearing this nigga preach. The whole 10 minutes, 15 minutes we heard this nigga preach. Yo, Philly potholes is fucking crazy though. Like, Philly potholes is really insane, bro. Now, since check this light on car, definitely not gonna do a cold start for me at all. Shit fried. This shit frying me. It's all good though, man. So, y'all take the good with the bad with the good. That's how I'm learning. That's what I'm learning right now. Gotta take the bad with the good and the good with the ugly. At the end of the day, if it ain't good, then how's it gonna make money? It's like, I feel like this car is extremely quiet, but it's cool because I don't want it to be extremely loud, if that makes sense. Like, I feel like this car is at its perfect peak. Like, I don't want it to be too loud and obnoxious because I know it can get like that. And the crazy part is, bro, this is on straight pipe. I'm thinking about removing the caps, but I'm debating because I don't really know if I want to yet. Just off the simple fact of the matter is, like, you remove the caps, this shit gonna be like, wow, it's gonna be doing too much. So it's like, you know what I'm saying? I don't think I wanna do that, but I'm about to switch the camera around and talk to y'all boys real quick while I ride through the blocks. YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Quad. Y'all know to subscribe to my Patreon. A lot of people been asking me, yo, how you start your clothing line? Yo, how you get your credit score up? Yo, how'd you repair credit? Yo, how'd you get approved for the SRT? How'd you get approved for the Malibu? Yo, how'd you get approved for the Ford? Yo, how'd you get approved for the Camry? The score up in less than 30 days. So forth. I'm doing this. I am starting my Patreon where I'll be breaking down everything I'm doing in section episodes, step by step, holding your hand along the way. Any questions or things of that nature that you want to learn, please shoot me a DM on Instagram at WalidCEO, and then subscribe to the Patreon where I'll be talking about it more in depth.